Oh, oh, oh. Who are you?
Wait a minute, who are you?
Who are you?
I'm King Koopa.
No, I'm King Koopa.
No, I'm King Koopa.
What are you talking about? I'm King Koopa.
No, you're King Koopa, you're the imposter.
You're the imposter.
No, you're the imposter.
Hey!
Hey! Stop fighting!
Who's this?
So, who's the real King Koopa?
I am. Look, don't listen to this twerp. I am. Out my eye! My eye! Ah!
Dad!
Ah!
Welcome back, Dad.
Hey, hey.
It's alright, buddy. You can do it a long time.
Oh, okay. That sounds pretty nice. Hey guys, can I? Wait. If you're King Koopa and I'm King Koopa, that means the multiverse is real. So, what universe are you from, King Koopa? And what's your name?
Cat Bros, maybe, King Koopa?
Oh, you're Cat Bros? What's your name?
Cat Bros Bowser.
Oh, you're Bowser. Oh, right now, you're in the Zilla Time universe. Shout out to Zilla Time, by the way.
Let's fight Mickey Mouse and Woody and Mechagodzilla Jr.
Wait, what? Mechagodzilla has a son? Mechagodzilla has a son, and he's in this door? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, they're right there.
Hello, what's up?
Is that Junior Mechagodzilla? Oh my god, he looks so cool. Hey, move out the way. You look so cool. Whoa. So this is the Capros universe, huh? I want to meet people in this universe. Hello, everybody. Chill. Hey, chill, man. Chill.
Let's fight.
So, you're Woody, huh? Yeah, I've been watching you for quite a while now.
Hello.
And, I forgot to tell you something. Your best friend, Waluigi, is a bad guy. Huh? Yeah, and I know who the fake Godzilla is. You know who the fake Godzilla is? Yeah, I know who the fake Godzilla is. Tell me, who is he? Now, he's coming to this universe, so you might tell who he is. So let's fight. Die, King Capros, King Koopa. Die. You're gonna die, buddy. Die, man. Geronimo! Oh my god, you took his tail off! You're wrapping it around his neck. Everybody, come on, Mechagodzilla Jr. Let's get out of here, buds.
Fight tail.
We'll be back for you guys.
I'll get you next time. But now.
Oh no, you won't, cause you're messing with the Cat Bros, guys. You know what? I'm gonna make that. How'd I do? Do I pretty good?
Yeah, pretty
So,
good.
my cousin is Godzilla, Space Godzilla, and Zilla. So, do you have any cousins like that, King Koopa?
Yeah, he's named Godzilla, Space Godzilla, and Zilla.
Oh, nice.
My cousin is Malilla, Junior Frozen Godzilla, and
Junior
Godzilla Jr. And Junior
Godzilla Jr. died.
Oh.
So he's basically not your cousin anymore, man. I'm sorry. Sorry to break that news to you. Yeah.
So I was the Hulk, and Junior Mothra is She-Hulk.
Oh, nice.
And then she flipped me off. She do the middle finger at me.
What? So, King Koopa, can I meet some of your friends? Hey, Bowser, do you have any friends in this universe? I want to meet them.
Yeah. His name's Huggy Wuggy, Sonic, and Donald Duck.
Oh, what? I don't have a Huggy Wuggy. I got a Freddy Fazbear. And I got Ugly Sonic.
Freddy. Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. Huggy
Yeah.
Wuggy's dad.
He's Huggy Wuggy's dad in this universe? This is weird. Alright, let's meet him. Hey, Capra 1, bring him down here.
You.
Oh, so you sound like Shark Puppet, okay. Shut up! Yeah, your friend is annoying, Bowser.
What? No, he's not. He's a good friend. You, I'm a good friend. You, give me cheese. You gotta owe me it.
What?
I gotta go fast.
Well, in my universe, I got a slow Sonic, and his name's Ugly Sonic. But you ain't so that. You ain't that ugly. You're actually pretty good looking.
Donald Duck from TikTok.
Donald Duck from TikTok. So you're the big puppet of this universe. Our big puppet of my universe is Zilla time. Zilla.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, he's our mascot.
Yes, sir. This orange one turns into sky blue. And this blue one turns still blue.
It's still blue. Crookie, is that you?
It's Ludwig.
Oh, okay. You look like Crookie.
It's Rookie.
I don't know who you are.
Rookie? Who's Rookie?
I don't know. I don't know who you are. I only had one son named Crookie. He died. He failed me.
Larry.
So I sent him into the dungeon. Don't tell anybody that I did that. So, how about your friends? Do you have a best friend, King Koopa?
Yeah. His name's Waluigi.
Oh, I have a best friend named Waluigi, too.
When he was a kid.
His best friend is, Galby.
My best friend is Gelpy when he was a kid, when I was young.
Oh, let me see Galby. What's his name? I want to see what he looks like. So you're the Mario of this universe, huh?
You're mocking me, aren't you?
No. I'm just you just look like Mario from my universe, but you wear blue, and your name is Guppy.
You're mocking me, aren't you?
No. Look, there's an alien!
Where?
Ha! I got you, sucker. Did I do good? I don't know what happened there.
Yep, this is the end of the video.
Oh, so this is the end?
Yeah.
King Koopa out.
Bowser out. King Koopa out. Donald Duck out. Huggy Wuggy out. Handsome Sonic out.
Hey, my universe is Ugly Sonic.
Larry out. Ludwig out. Copper One out.